The Blackburn, the Ortlieb, or ROCKBROS? Perhaps the Moosetreks or the RNS Bike Frame Bag? Which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 frame bags available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best frame bags. The 5th product on this list is the ROCKBROS Triangle Frame Bag. This triangle frame bag is an essential accessory for any cyclist in need of reliable and spacious storage. Its unique double-sided pocket design allows for effortless separation of personal items and tools, while the small inner mesh pocket adds convenience for easy access to smaller items. Constructed with durability in mind, this unit is built to remain in place while riding, and the non-slip zippers provide easy access to your belongings. The high-quality material of the bag has a delicate and beautiful surface texture, which can easily be cleaned by wiping the surface. Spacious enough to hold all your essentials, such as your phone, wallet, keys, and backpacking accessories. The slim body design minimizes wind resistance, making it perfect for the mountain, road, and urban bikes. Moreover, installation is a breeze thanks to the 4 adjustable magic straps and 9 adjustment positions, which ensures secure and snug fit to your bike frame. The bag stays in place even on bumpy and rocky roads without any acute swinging. Overall, the ROCKBROS Bike Triangle Frame Bag is a well-designed, practical, and durable storage solution for all your cycling needs. Whether commuting daily, backpacking, or leisurely riding around town, this triangle bag has got you covered. Its pros are: it has a spacious double-sided pockets design with a small inner mesh pocket for easy access to small items. It has sturdy construction and non-slip zippers, and it has easy installation with 4 adjustable magic straps and 9 adjustment positions. However, it is only water resistant, so you won't want to leave anything too important in it when the rain starts to fall. The ROCKBROS Triangle Frame Bag is an ideal storage solution for cyclists of all levels who are looking for a durable, easy-to-install frame bag that is perfect for bikepacking and urban commuting. Up next in 4th place is the RNS Bike Frame Bag. This unit is the perfect accessory for any cyclist who wants to upgrade their ride with a reliable and high-quality storage solution. With its durable construction and water-resistant material, this bike bag is built to last and keep your stuff safe and dry. The bag has multiple compartments, including a flexible divider and an internet room, which helps you stay organized and find what you need quickly. Plus, the water-resistant YKK zipper adds an extra layer of protection for your belongings. The adjustable hook and loop fasteners design ensures that the bag fits your bike frame perfectly, avoiding the common problem of poor fasteners in other brands. And if you encounter any issues, the manufacturer offers a full refund or replacement. No questions asked. Whether you're a mountain biker, road cyclist, backpacker, or commuter, the RNS Bike Frame Bag has got your back. Its weather-resistant design and durable construction make it an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable and efficient storage solution for the bike. Plus, it's effortless to clean, so you can spend more time riding and less time maintaining your gear. Its pros are: it has multiple compartments and provides ample storage space for bikepacking essentials. It has water-resistant material that helps protect belongings in inclement weather. And it has adjustable hook and loop fasteners that allow for a secure and customized fit on most bike frames. However, its soft sides tend to bow out if overfilled, which can cause ergonomic issues. The RNS Bike Frame Bag is a must-have accessory for any cyclist who wants a high-quality, durable, and functional bike storage solution that is perfect for any outdoor cycling adventure. Still haven't found a frame bag that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Moosetreks Touring Road Frame Bag. If you're on the hunt for a spacious and dependable storage solution for your touring, bikepacking, or commuting needs, look no further than this little unit. It comes in 3 sizes to fit most touring and fat bike frames, and has a storage capacity ranging from 6 to a whopping 12 quarts. Plenty of room for all your gear. Made of super strong ripstop nylon laminated with thermoplastic polyurethane, this frame bag is built to last and it's water resistant, so your precious cargo stays safe and dry no matter what. Plus, the improved stability and load balance will keep your weight low and your ride smooth, even on steep climbs and tricky descents. The premium YKK zipper adds to the bag's durability, and the new and improved liner material and shorter Velcro straps ensure a custom fit that will stay put no matter how bumpy the road gets. And with its versatile design featuring 2 compartments and a removable divider, organizing your gear has never been easier. Now, it's important to keep in mind that while this frame pack is made of waterproof fabric, it's not entirely waterproof. During heavy rains or submersion in water, some moisture can sneak in through the stitching. But no worries, just grab an inner dry bag to keep your gear safe and dry. In conclusion, the Touring Road Bike Full Frame Bag is an absolute must-have for anyone who loves to explore on 2 wheels. It's durable, water-resistant, and spacious enough to carry everything you need for your next adventure. So what are you waiting for? Gear up and hit the road. Its pros are: it has a near custom fit and is available in 3 different sizes. It has a tough and water-resistant construction that offers protection against the elements. And it has high-quality YKK zippers for added durability. However, the straps are incredibly long, so once it is fitted, you may need to cut off the excess and burn the ends to prevent them from fraying. The Moosetreks Touring Road Frame Bag is a durable, water-resistant, and versatile bike packing bag that fills the whole frame and offers ample storage space and improves stability for an enjoyable riding experience. The second product on this list is the Blackburn Outpost Elite. This next triangular frame bag is a top-notch choice for bike enthusiasts who yearn for a reliable, waterproof, and roomy frame bag that grants easy access to all their stuff. With its waterproof material, welded seams, and sealed zippers, this frame bag ensures your essentials stay dry even on the wettest rides. Plus, the removable high-pylon straps shield your bike frame from any damage. The best part? The bag's expandable design can accommodate various items, making it perfect for all sorts of trips. There's also no doubt that you'll be a big fan of this frame bag's organizational design. It's so neat and tidy that you can quickly locate all your gear, even the water bladder hydration port. And with the exterior pockets, you can effortlessly grab your gear without fiddling with the zippers. The drain holes are a thoughtful touch too, for when things get damper than anticipated. All in all, the Blackburn Outpost Elite Frame Bag is a sturdy and secure way to carry all your essentials on your bike. The 9 connection points keep it firmly attached to the bike frame, giving you peace of mind while you ride. Whether you're planning an extended backpacking adventure or just commuting to work, this frame bag is a must-have. Its pros are: it has waterproof materials, welded seams, and sealed zippers to keep items dry. It has removable high-pylon straps that protect your frame, and it is meshed and has slip pockets that offer a ton of storage options. However, it takes quite a while to properly fit the bag to your bike frame. The Blackburn Outpost Elite provides ample storage options and protection for your gear, making it an essential accessory for backpacking or long-distance touring. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top frame bag is the Ortlieb RC Frame Pack. If you're an adventurous bike packer looking for a reliable frame pack to take with you on your next trip, look no further than the Ortlieb RC Frame Pack. This rugged and innovative bag is designed with your needs in mind. One of the best things about this frame pack is the rolled top closure, which makes packing and unpacking a breeze. You'll also love the low center of gravity, which ensures even weight distribution, so you can ride comfortably, even with a fully loaded bike. But what really sets the Ortlieb RC Frame Pack apart is its easy installation. With hook and loop fasteners that keep the bag securely in place on your frame, and attachment points on your top tube, down tube, and seat post, you can be sure the bag won't budge no matter how rough the terrain gets. What's more, the reflective logo on both sides of the bag is a nice touch, providing visibility in low light conditions. But even more importantly, the waterproof construction of this bag will keep your gear safe and dry no matter where your adventure takes you. Simply put, the Ortlieb RC Frame Pack is the best frame pack on the market today. It's durable, waterproof, and designed to make your backpacking adventure as enjoyable and hassle-free as possible. Don't leave for your next trip without it. Its pros are: it has a durable and waterproof material for full protection in inclement weather. It has hook and loop fasteners that make installation quick and simple. It has a roll-top closure that allows for easy packing and unpacking of items. And it has an even weight distribution that maintains a low center of gravity when fully loaded. However, at 5.5 quarts, it doesn't have the highest storage capacity on this list. The Ortlieb RC Frame Pack is the perfect bikepacking companion for those seeking durability, stability, and waterproof storage on all their cycling adventures. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.